for
Let me
your
hear you
life.
say, oh, ho.
Fuck my seats.
Bro, I'm hella sorry, dude.
It's okay, dude. At Chrome, we got your back. First thing I'm gonna do is vacuum. First things first, I'm gonna hit it with my carpet bomber, and then I'm gonna hit it with my Terminator for stain extraction. Afterwards, I'm gonna hit it with my drill brush to loosen up the stain and extract it later on. Next, I'm gonna hit it with my DIY extractor to remove all the chemicals that I put into the fabric. Last thing, I'm gonna mop everything up to remove all the excess water that I put in the fabric. This is the before, and now the after. That's it, y'all.